श्री राम। हम पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर 45 अल जतीहा। इसका मतलब है द क्राउचिंग। एक्ट नंबर 21 और डू दोज कमिट इविल डीड्स सिंपली थिंक दैट वी विल मेक देम इक्वल इन देयर लाइफ एंड आफ्टर डेथ टू दोज हु बिलीव एंड डू गुड। हाउ रॉन्ग इज देयर जजमेंट। 22 For Allah created the heavens and the earth for a purpose, so that every soul may be paid back for what it has committed, and none will be wronged. 23 Have you seen, O Prophet, those who have taken their own desires as their God, and so Allah left them to stray knowingly, sealed their hearing and hearts, and placed a cover on their sight. Who then can guide them after Allah? Will you all then not be mindful? 24 And they argue, there is nothing beyond our worldly life. We die, others are born, and nothing destroys us but the passage of time. Yet they have no knowledge in the support of this claim. They only speculate. 25 And whoever our clear revelations are recited to them, and whenever our clear recitations are recited to them, their only argument is to say, bring our forefathers back, if what you say is true. 26 Say, O Prophet, it is Allah who gives you life and causes you to die. Then will gather you all on the judgment day, about which there is no doubt, but most people do not know. 27 To Allah alone belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. On the day of the ark will be established. The people of falsehood will then be in total loss. 28 And you will see every faith community on its knees. Every community will be summoned to its record of deeds. They will be told, this day you will be rewarded for what you used to do. 29 This record of ours speaks the truth about you. Indeed, we always had your deeds recorded by angels. 30 And for those who believe and did good, their Lord will admit them into His mercy. That is truly the absolute right. 31 And for those who disbelieve, they will be lost. They will be told, were my revelation not recited to you? Yet you acted arrogantly and were a wicked people. 32 And whenever it was told to you, surely Allah's promise of judgment is true, and there is no doubt about the ark, you said mockingly, we do not know what the ark is. We think it is no more than speculation, and we are not convinced that it will ever come. 33 And the evil consequences of their deeds will unfold before them, and they will be overwhelmed by what they used to ridicule. 34 It will be said, this day will neglect you as you neglected the meeting of this day of yours. Your home will be in the fire, and you will have no helpers. 35. This is because you made a mockery of Allah's revelations and were deluded by your worldly life. So from that day on, they will not be taken out of the fire, nor will they be allowed to appease their Lord. 36. So all praise is for Allah, the Lord of heavens and the Lord of the earth, Lord of all worlds. 37. To Him belongs all majesty in the heavens and the earth, and He is the Almighty, all-wise. ये ख़त्म हो गया सूरा अल जतिया, इसका मतलब द क्राउचिंग।